Do you feel like you're earning but not moving forward? Like you should be ahead, but you're still stuck? You're not alone. Over half of U.S. adults say they're financially frozen. Today, we'll uncover why that happens and how you can unfreeze your money. 1. Awareness over income. It's not always about how much you make. It's about how you use it. If you're frozen, you're letting money sit instead of grow. 2. What freezes you? Too many options plus too little clarity. Fear of making the wrong move. Waiting for the perfect moment. These stop action. And when you stop, time eats your money. 3. Move with purpose. Pick one small action today. Transfer $20 into your savings or investment. Choose one habit to rewind. Stop eating out one extra time. Set one simple goal you'll review next week. 4. Build momentum. Momentum beats motivation. Start tiny. Win today, then repeat tomorrow. Each small win chips away the freeze. If you're ready to unfreeze your money and build real movement, hit subscribe. I'll walk you through real-life steps, no hype, no complicated spreadsheets. Check out my other videos, and let's start your journey today.